Hi, this is Hope and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the treble crochet stitch. You will need some yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Let's begin by making a slip knot. Next, I will chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will now skip 4 chains and put my finger on the 5th chain where I'm going to put my hook through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So while holding my place, I'm going to yarn over twice. And I will put my hook through that chain. I will yarn over again and pull through. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. You should have 3. Yarn over, pull through the next 2. You should be left with 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So here we have made our first treble crochet. The chains that we have skipped will be counted as a treble crochet as well. Let's continue to make our next treble crochet into the next chain. Yarn over twice. 1, 2. Put your hook through into the next chain and yarn over. Pull your yarn through. And you should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. Again, yarn over twice. Put your hook through the next chain, yarn over, and pull your yarn through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2. Yarn over, and pull through the last 2. Again, yarn over twice. Put your hook through the loop or chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. Let's do our last treble crochet of the row. Yarn over twice. Put your hook through the chain, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2. Yarn over, and pull through the last 2. So we now have 6 treble crochets. To begin the next row, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. This is going to be counted as a treble crochet, so we're not going to put our hook into this chain. We're going to go into the next one, yarn over twice, put your hook through, pull some yarn out, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Again, yarn over twice, put your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Let's finish off with our last 3 treble crochets. And for our last treble crochet, we're going to be putting our hook into this loop right in here. It'll be the very first chain. So yarn over twice, put your hook in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Begin a chain 1, cut off your yarn, pull and tighten. And here we have made 2 rows of treble crochets. If you are following me from the very first video, continue to practice all of your chains. You can practice by doing a row of single crochet, a row of half double crochet, a row of double crochet, and a row of treble crochet. Or you can mix and match, and you can see the difference that it makes in your project. So later on, if you're creating a blanket, you can actually mix up all of these different stitches together to create a very interesting look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time where I will tell you what a slip stitch is. Bye!